Okay guys, welcome back. Today is December 18th. We're gonna go ahead and get into door number 18. Okay, here is number 18. It is the Pepper Express Red Sriracha Hot Sauce. It says number 18, North Pole Locomotive. On the side it says, a sauce that's great for those that love it hot. The Pepper Express brings only the freshest, most flavorful peppers for Santa's favorite red sriracha hot sauce. This one doesn't look like it's going to be as hot as yesterday. Has a cayenne smell to it, and it has a cayenne and kind of a sweet sriracha smell to it. Doesn't really taste very much like sriracha. I can't quite put my finger on the spice that's in there. Yep. After a second taste, I still can't put my finger on what spices they have in there to give it that unique taste. It's very good. Let's check out the ingredients to see what's in it. Alright, here's number 18, the Pepper Express Hot Sauce. It has cayenne pepper mash, chopped garlic, garlic water, sorbic acid, sodium benzate, sodium sorbate, vinegar, brown sugar, and xanthan gum. So I guess it's the garlic and brown sugar that gives it that taste and the sweetness. Okay, so this is a pretty unique hot sauce. Doesn't taste like your typical cayenne hot sauce or that much like sriracha, but it's really good and it has a very nice flavor to it. I think it kind of has a slight Worcestershire sauce flavor to it. Alright, thanks for joining me. Come back tomorrow. We're going to get into door number 19. We're getting close to the end. Thanks for watching.